How we doing, y'all? Mic check, mic check, mic check, mic check, mic check, mic check. Yeah. Let me get this Discord post. Previously on Kimba TV. It's crazy because without any data, you know, like holding VWAP and pumping is actually good, right? But then you have bear divs. You have bear divs forming, and you have the $22 million long that you know is gonna get spanked, and I think he closed it all. How we doing? Y'all ready? Yeah! Oh boy, I am hyped. OCS Legna just woke up, have my levels with alerts and scenarios. Let's get it. Yes, let's do it. Fuck yeah. Hey, preparation meeting opportunity chat. Let's go. Everybody prepared. Lions, what do you guys think? We spent all last week preparing, all day yesterday. Hopefully everybody, you know, is satisfied and proud of their preparation. Let's go. All right, let's get it, man. Days and weeks of preparation, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go. It's too easy. All right, Lions. You guys are the best. We spent all last week, all day yesterday, all day Monday. Hopefully everybody is good to go. Happy hunting, y'all. Let's get it. Let's get it. Y'all ready? 40 seconds. Preparation meeting opportunity, y'all. It's too easy up in this bitch. I'm proud of you guys though, man. Nobody's showing up talking about what's the plan. What are we thinking? Good shit, you guys. I mean, if you're not doing that, you've already won the day, in my opinion. All right, here we go. 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bugatti! Here we go now. Here we go now. Here we go now. It's too easy now. Oh, Bugatti. Hey, it's instant money. Oh, let's go. Let's go. What do we say? What the fuck did we say, chat? Oh, Pixel Perfect. Pixel Perfect, bitch. Pixel Perfect, bitch. Get nasty on him. Get nasty on him. Get nasty. It's too easy, chat. It's too easy, chat. Oh, shit, it's too easy. Quit playing with me. Quit playing with me. Oh, what you think? What you think? Instant juice, boy. Yeah. You know what it is. You know what it is. Let's go, Lions. Give it up. Yes. Bugatti, are you ready, chat? Quit playing with me now. Let's go. It's too easy. Oh my goodness, chat. What do you think? Hey, what you think? Hey, it's too easy, boy. It's too easy. Darcy, Skiller, Lettuce, Remix. Katrina, let's go. Do you believe? Lions, do you believe? What do you think about all this? Chat, I don't want to sound like motherfucking Carl the Moon, but exactly as predicted. What do you guys think, chat? Pixel. Pixel up in this bitch. Pixel up in this bitch. Pixel up in this bitch. What do you guys think, chat? What you think, man? I'm up a nice little couple milli, you know what it is. Make sure you're checking out the exchange leaderboards if you want to see how much I'm up. But you know what we're doing. What do you guys think? The levels are the levels. So this is what I mean, again, this is everything that we spent, you know, hours yesterday talking about, right? What are we going to do if we have the RTH gap that opens below? What are we going to do if we have RTH opening that opens above? What are we going to do if we have RTH open inside? Chat, this ain't nothing. This ain't nothing. Shit. Let's get it. What do you guys think? I mean, I think we did pretty good, chat. What do you think? I mean, what do you guys think about this? This is pure math, chat, on a day like today. You know there's motherfuckers out there trading that has no idea? You know there's motherfuckers out there that are trading and they have no fucking clue? And I'm sitting here like I'm the market maker. You dig?
Bitcoin is going to zero.
What'd you think, boy?
Zero.
All right, so this is phase 2, right? Phase 1 is futures without the number. Phase 2 is futures with the number. And then phase 3 is US market open with the number. Are you guys ready? Hey, OGs, veterans, lions that have been here for more than, 4, 5, 6 CPIs. We did it again. We did it again, chat. It's got to be testnet, chat. What you guys think about all this, man? Crazy, right? Crazy shit, man. What do you think? I mean, what do you guys think about all this? Huh? Let's go. Let's get that juice, boy. Let's get that juice, boy. I don't even need to. Remember what I told you guys? Show me the chart and I'll tell you what the CPI number was. You dig? Show me the chart. I don't even know what the CPI is. I don't even give a shit. Ka-choo! Too easy. Too easy. Too easy. Too easy, boy. Oh my God, pixel perfect. God damn, boy. Let's go. Let's go. Oh my God. Let's go. And you know what you guys know what it means if the RTH gap is gapped without RTH, right? A gap within a gap. Gap filled but not mine. Yeah. Do the damn thing. Do the damn thing. Do the damn thing. You either know what you're doing or you don't, chat. You either know what you're doing or you don't. Do you think I know what I'm doing? But anyways, we talked about all this yesterday, so you know exactly what I'm going to be doing step by step, minute by minute. I'm going to do exactly what we talked about yesterday. You guys do you. You guys do you. You know? Got my answer. Haha, thanks. Yeah, I mean, there's nothing wrong. I think it tapped 0.75. So if you were, if your plan was to long it, and you looked at CPI days and you looked at, if I take a short or a long before US market opens, is it a good idea? If you've done all the work and the homework and the preparation, today is one of those days where you don't want anybody else to influence your shit. You want to prepare and you want to execute, so let's go. Today is one of those days where you got to be able to, like I said yesterday too, you got to trust your preparation, trust your work, and go with it. But yeah, I definitely would not recommend like waking up right before US market open. I think what you want to do is maybe go into like 5 minute and just see if structure change is going to happen. And I mean, you know me, I'm looking at that settlement right now. So just like we talked about, I don't know how many of you guys nerded out and figured out what the answer is, but value area high, value area low, right? Or gap, upper gap, lower gap, whatever it is, whatever range or imbalance that you set, you want to know like what it means if you open right here. You want to know what it means if you open right here. You want to know what it means if you open right here. You want to know what it means if you open right here. You want to know what it means if you open right here. So where is RTH going to open up? This is your gap right here. Okay, and that's your RTH. Cloudy says a couple of hours it'll pass. Just a bit of temporary rage. We fucking good. Appreciate your words. Good shit, good shit. All right, well, go do your thing, Cloudy. Reset, and whenever you want to poke your head back in and you need a recap or you want to talk about anything, let me know, Cloudy. All right. Don't take too long though, all right? There's things like Trident, all right? And how were you here, Cloudy, when I was talking about for everybody that is gonna try to take this long? Hands up if you remember this, chat. But I was talking about for everybody that's going to try to take this thing, make sure you study this thing. You remember that, Cloudy? Do you think that this is just random bullshit, or you think this pixel perfect level identification, brother? I mean, do you think, I mean, you've known me long enough, brother. You think that's a pixel perfect mistake? Right there? I don't know if you can see that wick. Can you guys see that wick? I mean, you guys know how to pull fibs, right? What, is that bullish? Because I'm pretty sure that we have to turn golden pocket resistance into support. So, Cloudy, all I'm going to say, brother, is today, tonight, and tomorrow, there are trades. I don't know if you see what I'm seeing, but brother, there's at least 2-3 more trades in the next 24 hours. Alrighty? So don't take too long on that World of Warcraft, my boy. All right? Yeah, I just want you to know, you ain't missed shit, my boy. You're tripping about nothing. All right? So go do your thing, but you know, come back and join the Lions when you can, okay, brother? And I'm talking to you, Cloudy, but I'm really talking to everybody else. You know what I mean? I'm talking to other people that may have taken a little bit of an L. Alberto says, I remember when you said you want to long when no one is longing, you want to short when no one is shorting. Exo shows perfectly, for sure. I mean, chat, seriously, for those of you that have been here for the last 2 weeks and you were hearing me talking, waiting, hey, RTH gap, RTH gap, RTH gap, RTH gap, RTH gap. You know, if it's a swing fail, don't be mad at me. All of the preparation stuff, whether it's settlement, waiting for bullish retest, settlement being tapped, staying above value area low, golden pocket retest. I mean, what do you think about all this? Did the edge hold, chat? Did we get bottom shorters, chat? Didn't I say I wanted bottom shorters? Did I get bottom shorters? Tell me. Did the hidden CVD bull div hold? I mean, what are we talking about, chat? The data is the data. We're all looking at the same shit. All right. Does you guys want to do a dick measuring contest? Who thinks they have the best entry? Does anybody think they have a better entry than me? Let's flex it. Let's flex it. Let's flex it. What we got? What we got? Yeah, I mean, this is you. Do you guys understand why, you know, preparing for today for 2 weeks, 90% of today, I'm gonna just be saying, who juicing? If you ain't burping, you a hoe. If you ain't juicing, you a hoe. Wait, tell me what to do. Why does he keep yelling and screaming? Just tell me where to long or short. All I can, I mean, I would have to go in a little bit more into detail. I have so many accounts open right now, so I'm not going to do it. But thousands of people in longs. I don't know exactly what people's entries are. I think everybody's going to have different entries, you know. Some people longed the settlement, you know, value area low or structure change is invalidation. Some people like just market smashed RTH gap. Some people, you know, started to basically dollar cost average in between the RTH. I mean, there's really no right or wrong. We talked about all these things. So Candlestick says number one priority was not get got. Yes. My entry hella conservative, settlement 95.2. That's okay. That's okay. That's still mathematical. Yeah, especially if you were listening, I tried to kind of give you guys hints like, look, if you're aiming for 108, does it really matter if you have 94, 95, 96? You see it? You guys understand? Fusi Cuber says, I overslept CPI. Oh, that's okay. Well, I mean, at least it's really just more about like effort and want to instead of like fixing TA. So you're okay. Crypto Hawk says, I wish my long was bigger. That's perfect size. Yeah, you should wish that your size was bigger when you're juicing, and when you're, losing, you're gonna think to yourself, "Oh my God, thank God it's not that big." That means that the size is perfect. Algar just gifted 2 subs. Let's get it. Lions, that's a quick little $3,000 move, y'all. Let's go. Get too carried away. What you want to think about is, do I truly believe that, a swing fail pattern and top longers would be bearish? Do I really believe that this long is good? Some of you guys are having a really hard time figuring out what the invalidation is. And so you're kind of unsure how much you're really supposed to be risking, right? Some of you guys know what the end, and that's why I always say, I don't know if you know what you're doing if you tell me your entry. But if you tell me your stop loss, I have a pretty good idea on whether you know what you're doing or not. But so it's kind of up to everybody to figure out what is that one weakness or what is that one lacking thing that is, preventing you from having as much confidence or conviction as maybe me or somebody else. All right. So it's super important that you truly believe what you say that you're going to do. Otherwise, when the moment comes, you're going to pussyfoot. OGs and veterans, I know that to be the truest truths. And I think the faster that Lion Cubs can figure that out and recognize how important following and having your own plan is, the better journey you will have. Alrighty. Radrock says, is VRVP indicator good for value area low, value area high? Absolutely. But Radrock, what does VR stand for? So VR stands for visual range. So it will show you the value area high, value area low for the data that is in view. So like if I turned on VRVP like this is visual range, right? This is visual range volume profile. So watch, like if I move in more data, right? If I give it more price action, okay? You see how it changed? Because now it's taking into this consideration. It will be the same exact thing. Visual range volume profile will be the same exact thing if I went from the very left of my screen to the very right. But you get it, Radrock? And that's a great example of there is no right or wrong. You can do whatever you want. As long as you understand what the fuck you're doing, you can do whatever you want, Radrock. So that's always going to be the case in crypto for anything, for any indicator, for any tool. So that's why it's so important that you know what you're doing. But now it makes sense, right, Radrock?
Shout out Kimber.
So you know what the difference is between fixed range volume profile, visual range volume profile, right? You could theoretically do a fixed range of whatever you're seeing, and that would be the same exact thing as VRVP. And even though it's a little bit, it's not as significant as maybe D3 qualities juice, but that's juice right there. How is that not juice? Did you not just get a little bit better? Did you just not get a little bit more powerful? Maybe it's a margin of 0.00001%, but it is impossible to quantify how much money you saved because you know that now, and how much more money you're able to make because you know that now. Only time will tell, but you juiced. Radrock, no matter how small you think it might be. Sounds good? Radrock, GST, Woodward, 26 minutes on US market close. And then, unfortunately, I have to bow out. But tomorrow, in show of appreciation for everybody that gifted subs, I will show up early, just like today, for PPI. All right. I challenge everybody to kind of think about worst case scenario. You know, what are some good levels to think about and prepare for? Where's VWAP at? Where are the CME single prints and naked point of controls at? Where are the fibs at? Where are the higher time frame anchored VWAPs at? Where are the Binance useless lines at? Doggy the OG says, can you show us how you pull the FRVP for a specific range? Sure. First things first, there is no right or wrong. And certain books, all right, have like include this, not include this, etc., etc. Okay? So for example, let me show you. Okay. This is 4-hour Bitcoin. I have a VRVP that starts from right here. Right here. Do you see it? Right here. And what I'm doing is I'm separating the profile already in my head like this. So let me delete this. So for me, this is one price action. And then this is range. And this is where it can get subjective. Some people might include this, and there's really no right or wrong. Obviously, if there is enough significant volume in there, it's going to adjust your value area low, value area high, and point of control. Alrighty? But yeah, so for me, I'm including the candle that first penetrates into the zone. So I'm including the first candle that goes above and closes above this line. Okay? Now, if I was a little bit off, whether it was this candle or this candle or this candle, I can move my thing to see if it really makes that much of a difference. It shouldn't. All right? So if you really truly have a good range, moving it one candle forward, one candle back, it really shouldn't make a difference. Okay? If you want to find even stronger confluence, you do it on CME, you do it on Coinbase, and roughly they should all be the same. Now, what I usually like to do is go off of things that are a little bit different. So what that means is some people are going to be looking for confluence and they want the value area high, value area low, and the point of control to line up for CME, Coinbase, and Binance and Bybit. I like it when derivatives don't line up to CME or Coinbase, because then I use that as edge for a potential short or a long. Okay, so there's different ways that you can use the value. You going, baby? Give me a kiss. No, but we love the 886 boys and girls, man. But for real though, all jokes aside, are you guys prepared? Don't be like giggling in the fucking corner and miss the failed auction. Just, swoop up your ass. Everybody good? Milirion says, aren't we dumping because CME swept by $1? No. So this is basically like very, very important level right here. I don't know if you guys can see this, but that's your first like sort of level of resistance right here for CME. So we're not surprised that it's pulling back a little bit. You dig? Yeah, that's always kind of been like first level of resistance. So, and we drew it in the morning too, but like this. So 7505, right? And this isn't pixel perfect, so I'm pretty sure that if I did make it like clicked in, it would be, but 7505. And so what is it trying to do on the medium time frame? I mean, I'm not making this up. This is things that we've all seen together, right? So on like the higher time frame, from a mathematical perspective, what are you trying to do? You're trying to make a higher low, but you're trying to turn that golden pocket that should be resistance into support. Then we can talk about sweeping those bad highs, yes? From a volume perspective, it's getting, what is it doing? It bounced off of VWAP. All right. And like I said, if you wanted to do something like fixed range volume profile, you could. So what did we say? You guys remember what we said? So what are some of the rules, chat? We like to short deviations and we like to long deviations, right? Hey, bulls, what the fuck? What the fuck? You seeing it? You guys? And then let me do a pop quiz. When do you confirm a failed auction? When do you confirm a failed auction? You know that it is a failed auction. Lee Kwok with a quick answer. Lower low. Yeah, there you go. There you go. Okay, let me ask you this. If it fails auctions from a value area high, where would you expect it to go to? If it fails breaching value area high, rotate to value area low. Bingo! All right. And you guys see where value area low is. So you already have your, it's not a trident anymore, but you've got your, so I can't predict the future. But if you're somebody that, is thinking to themselves, dude, I fucked up the long. Did you? All I'm going to say is, if you feel like you fucked up the long today, you better not fuck up this one. And if I were you, I would divert all the energy of frustration that I had in being sure that I'm prepared the fuck for this. So no one knows it's going to go down there. But if you're somebody that was bummed out and you thought to yourself, dude, I missed the long today, you better not fucking miss that one. And you better not get got, trying to long something that you have no business longing. So as long as you don't do I should have done this, then you're okay. But if you end up saying, I should have done this, then you didn't prepare and you made an emotional decision. And that's an L, regardless of what happened. Sounds good? So you just need to be thinking worst case scenario and be okay with it. All right? Sounds good? Have you already done the hypothetical? So this is your fib right now. So your entry, right, is what? 94750 you said? Okay, so like right here. Okay? You know what your position size is, right? So you know what your realized profits would be if you shaved right here, right? If you put your stop loss behind that wick. You know what your realized profits would be if you shaved 10% here, 10% here, and the rest here, right? You know what your realized profits would be if you close the whole thing here, right? And out of all the options of the money that you looked at that you could realize, you're going to go with the one that you like the most, right? You've at least done this, right? So as long as you're prepared and you're making a logical decision, I don't care what it is. All right? Sounds good? Let's go. All right, Bulgarian. Literally, we're not playing that song. Oh, damn.
I'm juicing.
But I love you, big dog. Hey, y'all ready to juice the fuck up tomorrow? Y'all ready? Longers, I'm rooting for you. Shorters, I'm rooting for you. Bulls, Bears, we're all Lions. I'll see you guys tomorrow, everybody. I would stay longer, but I gotta get to this dealership and drop off this new check before the finance guy leaves. So, I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow. Kachui, Shiba, Young-soon, he reaving. Young-soon, he reaving. Activate the manipulation. Activate the manipulation.